Hello world, in this video, we are going to replace the side buttons of my old phone. This is a Xiaomi Mi A1 which is an Android One phone. When I got this back in 2017, the Android version was Nougat, then it got updated to Oreo, then to Pie. Too bad, the Mi A series got discontinued. But I think the Mi A1 is the one that stands out in the Mi A lineup. Anyway, I've actually been using a software lock and I can also adjust the volume through that. Good thing, this phone has a fingerprint sensor, so I unlock the phone using that. I just make sure the phone is always charged because it is a hassle turning it back on. But oh well, let's replace the side buttons. Nice, it works now. That's it for this video. See you again next time.